Well, as I said, if there was something weird going on, I'd write about it, and it seems like I was right. While I was talking to Leonard at the docks about how his son's birthday went, we could hear sirens blaring in the distance. Lucky for us, Edward needed to go light engine back to Sodor to pick up his next train anyways. We found out the sounds of sirens we were hearing were coming from the power plant and saw firefighters speed past us when the line met road side by side.
River, what the heck was that?
It was the power plant, Edward. Look, you ran so fast, and you're getting tired. Go get some drink, okay?
Okay, Driver. And also, why didn't the power plant blow up and the sirens were blaring back there?
The workmen put them on, and Lena told me that they're using them in case the power plant blows up.
Charlie's right at Ward.
Well, there goes that idea. I hope the other engines don't mind.
All right, you're better now. Let's take you back to Tidmouth Sheds. It's getting dark now.
Okay.